'Twas there I met a laddie gay of honour and renown. From him sure I asked the way to famous New York town. What do you think, young girl, he said, come along with me, and we'll talk about old Ireland, Loch Erin and other days. I've got ranches down in Texas, I've got horses by the score, and I'll take you down the Rio Grande, far, far from Erin shore. Oh no, kind sir, please pardon me, your wealth I do disdain, but I'll go with you some other day, your fond love to maintain. There is no night nor day so bright as half as fair as you, but old Ireland's friends and plains and glens, to leave them all I'd rue. How could I leave Loch Erin's banks, my only dwells, your castles and your palaces, they look like prison cells. So to Texas too I bid adieu, for I'll see you nevermore, for I'm going back to old Ireland and lovely Erin shore. Yes, I'm going back to old Ireland.